Yo, what up guys? The Crypto Homie back at you with another video. This video is all about the Crypto Homie's portfolio. Want to know what bags I hold? You're about to find out. But before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. And now guys, I want to start off by saying that this is not financial advice, okay? Now, let's dive right into it. So as you guys see, I have CoinMarketCap up. And I made a little presentation of what I own. So guys, I believe there's 33 coins/tokens that I own. So, let's dive right into it. The Crypto Homies portfolio. Number one holding is Bitcoin. Guys, I believe Bitcoin should be everybody's number one holding. It's been around the longest. It'll most likely be around the longest. And I mean, traditional finance, the stock market, the owner of the New York Stock Exchange, ICE, the International Continental Exchange, they're investing in Bitcoin. I mean, so many traditional market companies are investing in Bitcoin. So guys, Bitcoin is the number one cryptocurrency out there right now. And I believe it will continue to be the number one currency throughout the future. Alrighty, so now that we're done with that, just so you guys are aware from the beginning, these are not in any special order. I just kind of just placed them this way. I was trying to do research, see what places have all these coins, and I'll try not to miss any. If I find that I did miss some, I will definitely do an update. So another coin I own is Ethereum. Guys, Ethereum, I got in 2017. ICOs, the initial coin offerings were such a big deal. They were all basically built on Ethereum. So guys, I had to get some Ethereum. I have to hold Ethereum long term because traditional finance, they are starting to lean into Ethereum as the second coin to invest in. And yes, of course, there's Chainlink, there's XRP, there's other ones like they're looking at as well. But Ethereum is like their number two option. And it is the number two coin on CoinMarketCap, as we see here. $45 billion market cap. Up next is a $13 billion, that's Tether. So just keep that in mind. Up next, I have XRP. I know that's very controversial. XRP, you love it or you hate it, but guys, Bitcoin is, short the banks, long Bitcoin. XRP is kind of like working with the banks. So I feel like it was a great hedge because since they work with regulation, it'd be a great hedge to have at least a little bit of XRP, just so in case if the thing really takes off, it'll be massive in the future. I mean, they're trying to solve, what is it, like a $27 trillion problem with the Novo Vostro accounts. Basically where all this money's locked up, they have to have it there because they need liquidity. If XRP can solve that, I can see the price of XRP go sky high. So yeah, that's just my little tidbit about XRP. It's kind of like a hedge just to see, this. Yeah, I understand crypto is all about, not working with the regulators, not making stuff happen. But guys, I mean, in reality, for traditional finance to take over and use this stuff, we have to work with them somewhat. So XRP, I believe, is a great hedge. Up next, as you guys all know, you see my videos about Chainlink. Guys, I got some Chainlink. Got in semi-early, so I'm definitely satisfied with that investment, and I continue to hold. And I think today, under 14 bucks is a great day to buy. Obviously not financial advice, but it's a great day, in my opinion, to, dollar cost average into Chainlink. So if you guys want to check out Chainlink, I have other videos about Chainlink. Just look on my channel. I have a lot more detail about Chainlink in other videos, but definitely in my portfolio. Something I don't think I mentioned on this YouTube channel is Binance Coin. Guys, I personally believe that Binance Coin is like the Amazon of cryptocurrency. It's going to be like buying Amazon back in the day or buying Apple back in the day. Guys, what CZ is doing, the CEO of Binance, I mean, they're working with regulators, moving their exchange where they need to move their exchange. They relocated. They've survived a like $44 million hack. They shut down to users in the US because of regulation. And then now they created a new exchange just for US people. So just for United States of America citizens, they have an exchange just for them. They're adding more fiat on-ramps to all their exchanges. They're adding more and more tokens. Guys, they have so much stuff. I can't use Binance.com, so I don't know all the stuff they have now. All I know is they keep adding more and more and more. So guys, I see a huge, major potential with Binance Coin. Up next is Litecoin. Guys, Litecoin is one of the, it's one of the top coins, guys. Back in 2017, it's still top 8. It's still the 8th on CoinMarketCap. So guys, it's just a coin that I just have because I see potential. It's been around for a while, so I believe it will continue to be around for a while. And hey, I may be wrong, I may be right, but hey, it's just something I have a little bit of. Up next, Bitcoin Cash. Guys, the whole Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin thing, I'm pretty much into that. The Bitcoin is the real Bitcoin. I just have some Bitcoin Cash as a hedge, just in case the Bitcoin Cash really turns out like just in case if I'm wrong, just in case the Bitcoin Cash turns out to be the actual Bitcoin, which I don't believe is actually going to happen, but I have a little bit as a hedge. I mean, I figure it's kind of like the XRP Bitcoin thing. Hey, you just never know. And why, why have zero when you could just toss a little bit of bucks in, especially when all this stuff was down really low in the bear market. That's where I bought a majority of these coins and tokens. Up next is Digibyte. Hey guys, it's one of those coins I heard a lot of stuff about. Off the top of my head, I don't know much about it. I just know I toss in a very tiny amount because I figure, hey, over the next couple of years, a tiny amount could turn into a large amount. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of Tweaky Tory. He has that whole, 5 coins to $5 million. You just invest $500 into 5 coins, which is a total of $2,500, and they should turn into a total of $5 million, like in a year or two or whatever he said. You had to pay to get his, 5 coins. But guys, just keep in mind that, tossing a little bit of money into some stuff like Digibyte, and hold long term, it might work out. And that's why I own some. Oh, as you guys saw a little sneak peek there, Hex. Guys, Hex came out the end of 2019 with Richard Hart. He has this whole like game theory thing. It's like a CD in the crypto space. It's this staking that's like very interesting, how you can stake for up to 15 years. You get a higher multiplier. It's very game theory. It drew me in, guys. I got my free Hex because I claimed it with my Bitcoin, and I had to buy some more, and I had to stake it. It's just exciting and new, and like, whoa, gains are coming with this, bro. Like, come on, Hey, it might be a scam. I don't know, but I own a little bit. Like I said, just a little bit. We'll see what happens. What do you guys think of Hex? You guys think it's a scam? As always, let me know down in the comments below. Whoa, guys, this is one right here. Omizi Go, OMG. We see that thing. We saw OMG pump to $10, guys. I actually bought OMG about a week before it pumped. Okay, so I got in at a pretty good price. I was like, whoa. I should have posted what I bought on YouTube, because I bought a lot of stuff that pumped like a week later. It was kind of crazy. So you guys, I got some OMG. Very satisfied with that. At the same time that I bought OMG, I also bought OXT. So I bought both of these at a very low price, and then they pumped up like crazy. They're still way above what I bought at. So I'm satisfied with both of them. So guys, I do hold both of those. Up next is EOS. So guys, EOS, it had that, its ICO launch. It lasted about a year, if I remember correctly. And it came off the gate after ICO with like a $4 or $5 billion market cap. It kind of reminds me of Polkadot. But we headed into a bear market with EOS. So as you guys can tell, EOS, let's actually bring up what the price is. Hit an all-time high around $22, $24, somewhere in that range. But guys, today, it is not looking that great. It's at $2.91. I'd say it's a great time to buy some if you want some exposure to it. But hey, I'm not like, I haven't seen them make major progress like they've said they were going to. So I think it was just over promises, under delivering. But guys, I still hold it. Hey, we'll see what happens through the next bull market. Up next is XLM. Guys, if you own XRP, XLM is just kind of hand in hand. It's like the little cousin, or like the little brother, little sister, whatever you want to call it. XLM, for some reason, they kind of moved together. And the other week, I did make a video that I said, watch, OMG, ZRX, and XLM for a potential move. And OMG and ZRX did make a move, but XLM did not make the move. It really looked like it was about to make a move, but it did not. So it's a little disappointing. I think this is a great buy at 8.5 cents, guys. In my opinion, obviously not financial advice, but 8.5 cents. I mean, there's so many coins on sale right now. I just only have so much money to buy. So, but that's definitely a great buy. So the next one, up next is Tron. Guys, Tron is something back in 2017 that I purchased, and it was kind of like one of those hype things, like, is it really real? Is it a scam? Who knows? But now it seems really legit, guys. It's up 22% in the last 24 hours. That is what's up, my guys, 22%. So I like to see. Yeah, I hold a little bit of Tron, just like I hold a little bit of other stuff too. So got my Tron bag. Up next is Cosmos. Guys, I got some Cosmos, it's also known as Atom. I kind of like it, it's staking. It's pretty cool how you can see you get the staking rewards. It's kind of cool. It's, get a little bit more Atom every month just because I stake it. So, and long-term potential. I mean, it's one of those coins that its own pro Coinbase definitely has that long-term potential. So I got to own some of it, if you know what I mean. So up next, guys, KNC. Yeah, I bought some KNC when I bought the OMG and OXT. Just one of those things. I was like, you know what? It's on pro Coinbase. Let me just buy a little bit and hold long term. Guys, so far, it seems to do pretty well. Let's actually check out the current price of KNC. The Kyber network. So as we can see, it's at $1.40. It's actually less than what I bought it at. That's a little disappointing, but hey guys, you can't win them all. And my investing strategy is long-term. Okay, I think at least 6 months, okay guys. I want to hold these things for at least a year, 2, 3 years, somewhere in that range. And obviously I like to hold Bitcoin for way longer, just because I think Bitcoin has the most potential over the long term. And who knows, these altcoins, some of these will be the Apple, the Amazon. So if you hold them for 20 years, they'll make you maybe billions, but definitely millions. So hey, we'll just see what happens. Got some Kyber network, got to hold some of that. Up next, the 18th coin that's on this list of what I own is Compound. Hey guys, I made some videos about Compound. You know, it was one of those things I watched as soon as it launched on Coinbase Pro. I was like, whoa, $400. It just jumped, like just doubled, more than doubled very easily. Okay. And then, I was like, I got to buy. I saw it hit 180. I'm like, no, I think this thing is going to keep going down. I ended up buying at $136 and it bottomed around 120 bucks. So guys, you'll never time the bottom. You'll never time the top. But I feel very proud that I bought it at $136 simply because so far it's shown that was a great entry point. I mean, it's at $209 right now. We have major resistance at $250 to $260. Guys, we have to break through that to see a higher. Once we break through the $260 area, that resistance area, and make it as support, whoa, I'm excited because all-time highs for Compound then. So what's up next, guys? We got Cardano. So Cardano is I really like the CEO of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson. He's very active in the community. They launched their Shelly. They just keep doing improvement after improvement after improvement. He just posted out his roadmap for the next 2 months. And guys, they have a lot. They're putting a lot of stuff on the table, and they really need to perform. I mean, they're offering staking. They want to have a stable coin. They're basically competing with Chainlink, guys. I wouldn't be surprised if we see some kind of partnership with Chainlink. That'll be interesting. But guys, at 10.5 cents right now, oh my, this is a great buy, in my opinion. This is something I'm looking to add more to my bags. And then up next is Neo. Guys, Neo, it's back in 2017. I saw this thing was like sky high, like $200 some, if I remember correctly. We can actually scroll down and see the all-time high. It hit $196, okay? I mean, I've just seen this thing. And then during the bear market, I saw it less than 10 bucks. So I had to pick some up. Got a little bit of Neo. It's one of those things, hey, we'll see what happens in the next 2 years. Like, who knows? Up next is ZRX. Bought some of this. Like the day I bought the OMG, OXT, and a couple other things. I just wanted some more. Just figure, hey, it seemed like everything kept pumping, so let me buy before it pumps again. And I got in. I filled a little bit more in my bag of ZRX. H-bars. Oh my goodness, guys, H-bars. So H-bars had this like long anticipated launch. They finally launched. Like I felt like I waited forever for it, okay? And then they launched and I was like, oh, where can I buy it? It's on Bittrex. So I signed on to Bittrex. I buy it for around 10 cents. As you guys can see on the screen right now, it is 4.1 cents. So then when it launched on Binance, I ended up buying some more around 5 cents. So guys, I'm still down, but this is a long-term hold, just like everything else in my portfolio. Guys, I cannot wait for 1 year from now, 2 years from now to see what the portfolio will be worth. So just keep in mind, these are great entry points, not selling points. So you got some H-bars right there, Hedera Hashgraph. Up next is Engine, ENJ. Guys, Engine, they have some kind of partnership. They're working with Samsung to kind of integrate their wallet through the phones. Like the last I've actually researched them. I'm definitely down on this a little bit, but hey guys, this is something that, once again, long-term potential. So we'll see what happens. Has $150 million market cap, so who knows? It's definitely something that I had my eye on for a while and didn't pull the trigger for a while. I eventually bought some. That's a pretty recent purchase. And then up next is Kin. Oh, guys, I got a story with Kin, okay? So when I first got into crypto, in 2017, I was like, whoa, like it's the whole buying more tokens, more coins was very attractive. It didn't matter like what it was. I was like, bro, I can buy 1 million Kin. I'm going to go buy 1 million Kin. So I did. And yeah, 1 million Kin. It doesn't matter they have 1 million of them, guys, because it doesn't mean it's going to be worth more. Okay. I'm down like 99% on my investment right now. So keep in mind, everybody's new to this, that just because you can buy like 1 million or 100,000 or, let's say 10 million of some kind of coin or token, that may sound good in your head because it really did, in my opinion. I was like, wow, I have 1 million. It made me feel so good. Like, what, 1 million coins, bro? But guess what? it was a bad decision. I'm just holding because it's basically worth nothing. And we'll see in the next bull market if it turns out to be worth something. So who knows? You never know. Kin was sued by the SEC. So that's kind of what put the damper on that one, if you didn't know that. Up next is Dent. Guys, this was something cool. I kind of got hyped in the 2017 bull market / 2018. They're doing stuff with the like mobile data, so borderless. So when you travel the world, you can have you can have internet and like cell phone service with texting. I thought it was very cool. So I bought it in around 2 cents, and it's at $0.000278. So I'm way down on this investment, about 99.9%. I mean, very close to 100%. We could just round up and say I lost everything, but I did not sell because it's worth nothing. So why would I sell something that's worth nothing? Figure, hey, we'll see what happens in the next bull market. But I mean, right now you could buy a million Dent for $278 if I did that math in my head correctly. So I mean, asymmetrical risk, who knows? Maybe tossing $278 in would be worth it. I don't know. Not financial advice, but hey, it definitely has potential, in my opinion. Up next is Algo. Hey guys, I just bought a little bit of Algo. It's on Pro Coinbase. I just wanted a little bit just to have a little bit in my bag. So if this thing is the next Chainlink, hey, I got some. Obviously, I'm not saying things are going to kill Chainlink. I think Chainlink's going to do very well in the future, but I just have to have a little bit of everything else too, if you know what I mean. Oh, blue, guys. Blue. I bought some blue because it has that whole, they were going to be like the antivirus of cryptocurrency. And I kind of, got into that hype and I was like, whoa, this seems really cool. This has a lot of potential. Bought in at 20 cents and it's 0.000349. So it's not worth too much. Not worth much at all. So guys, actually, this might be the wrong blue. Let's see. No, it's Blue Protocol. Guys, I apologize. I pulled up the wrong one. See, there's two things called blue. It's kind of silly. Blue Protocol is what I have. It's worth 4 cents, right? 4.5 cents right now. 4.8 cents. It was worth like 7 cents yesterday, guys. This thing pumps and dumps all the time. Because just the other day, it was less than $1 million market cap. It's 1.7 million right now. So, hey, guys, there's definitely pumps and dumps with this stuff right now. So, hey, you can get on in it, I guess. But, hey, it's hard to get liquidity. So, I'd be extremely cautious. I would not recommend doing that unless you're an experienced trader. But yeah, I'm just holding this long term because my bags turn into almost nothing. And hey, over the next bull market, you just never know what happens. Up next, guys, REP, Augur, it's a DeFi play. I just had to get some. I'm holding it long term. We'll see what goes from there. Populous. Have you guys heard of Cliff High? He mentioned Populous, so I bought a little bit of it. And Populous currently is down a lot from when I bought it. I bought it at around $1. And look, guys, we are at 30 cents. So yeah, I'm down about 70%, but guess what in cryptocurrency? That is nothing, okay? So I held through this bull market. So hey, you get those, you get the strong where you get so detached from your money that it doesn't really matter. Plus I have a long-term outlook on everything. So I'm not concerned. $16 million market cap. Guys, this may be a great time to stock up on some more. I definitely keep keeping that in mind. So up next is BTR, guys, BitTrue Exchange. So as soon as I saw BitTrue Exchange launch, I was like, whoa, this is going to be the next Binance. Like they're going to do so well. And I was like, so I got to buy some BTR. And guys, I'm down on my BTR. Okay, let's just put it that way. But I still believe it has major potential. This is an exchange that I use. And I think it's one of those exchanges just to have. So when things get crazy, you have options. Because when the Bitcoin market in 2017, when it got real crazy, you could not make an account on exchanges. They shut down to new users because the exchanges couldn't handle the influx of new people. So keep that in mind. It's not a bad idea to just open up multiple exchanges, get verified, just be ready to be able to use them, even if you're not going to use them today. So BitTrue is I think it has major potential. We'll see what happens there, okay? It has just under a $4 million market cap. I think that's a great low cap coin to get into. But just my personal opinion. Obviously, it's tied to the BitTrue exchange, and full disclosure, they were hacked, but they did survive that. So I think that shows great strength in them. So up next, guys, is Tezos. Tezos, TZX. I may have spelled that wrong. Let me know down in the comments below. I think it's TZOS, like that. Yeah, I believe that's it. So basically, guys, I got some of this, Coinbase Earn. There was staking. I was interested in that. So, hey, I had to just get some. It's one of those plays, just hold a little bit and go from there. Dragon Chain, guys. Oh, let's check out Dragon Chain. If you guys have not seen my video on Dragon Chain, you guys got to check that out. I believe this is one of those gems through the next bull market, we're going to see some major moves on this coin. Okay, $22 million market cap right now. You know, it's at 6.2 cents. I'm way down on this a little bit, but hey, guess what? I believe this has major potential. I'm holding for the long term. Up next, guys, this is something I recently got into. This is my most recent purchase, guys. This is pretty exciting to me. Helium, HNT. So it got listed on Binance.us. I was like, what is this thing? I never heard of this thing called Helium. Like, what's up with this? So I see its rank, you know, I think that's incorrect on CoinMarketCap because there's no market cap here. The last I checked, it had around a $40 or $50 million market cap on CoinGecko. But when you go to the market pairs on CoinGecko and on CoinMarketCap, they both say the same thing. Binance.us, Bilaxy, and Who. So guess what? I was like, whoa, I have to buy some of this because what if it gets listed on any other exchange? You know, Coinbase, Kucoin, BitTrue, Gate.io. There's all these other exchanges that's not even on. It's not even on like Uniswap or anything. So I was like, I got to get some of this. It's my latest purchase, guys. I'm letting you know this is my latest purchase. So if you guys want to know what I just bought, it's some HNT. So guys, that's all that's in my bags as of right now. Obviously, guys, I've checked out Polkadot. I've checked out Kusama. All these videos I've made out, it's just my research and what I think they have major potential. I only just have so much money to put into cryptocurrency. I can't buy everything that I talk about, everything that I research. I definitely see major potential in Polkadot, major potential in Kusama. Like I put out videos that I think have major potential, even though I may not have money in them, simply because I don't have enough money to, you know, be invested in all of these cryptocurrencies. I mean, guys, there's like 6,000 cryptocurrencies. There's just no way. Like scrolling down this list, I can't have all these, but I do think there's major potential. Like if I'm not mistaken, Coinbase is launching UMA. So hey, that's something to check out. Somebody's launching that. If I'm wrong about Coinbase, somebody's launching that. So keep an eye out for that. I'll have that in a later video. But I think there's major potential in IOTA. I don't own any. I also think there's major potential in VeChain. I don't own any. So guys, just keep in mind, my videos, I try to give out the most value, what I believe has a major potential and something that you guys should be made aware of. So just keep that in mind. What do you guys think of my portfolio? What do you guys think? Like, do you guys have the same coins? Do you guys not like the coins I have? There's a lot of, you know, love and hate with XRP and just there like a lot of coins like that. So what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. Hey, and what's your portfolio? What are your top picks? Let me know, because I always love researching new ones. And I have a list here, like of coins to look at that you guys gave me. And guys, I really enjoy that. So please let me know your top picks down in the comments below. And as always, homies, this is not financial advice. This is just pure entertainment. I'd like to thank you for watching the video. Smash the like button if you liked it, and subscribe for more content, because the Crypto Homie is signing out.